Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em đem cái chính nhập.
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bác có bài bên nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nghĩ nắp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bà chungi.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang. Omrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Kinhul Menteri Jangka Sorkar Jelak Elekshon Mekarai ban Pynlong yak election ni Shaga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council hakash photruk Ïaïong arajar apun riu bat kesnginyo yaki vote kan long haka sautruk Ïaïong arajar apun riu yak ni lepentip do unong ektien ke Sorkar MDA ubawai lat miki shela ubelongru Menteri Sorkar hadi melawai ke jingalang Kinhul Menteri Lepentip baka Tarik ban pembenai ke election kan long haka kandai truk leber arajar apun riu bat katarik bakado ban thep kerteng kan long haka kandre truk leber arajar apun riu bat gasngi bishar kerteng kan long hi haka jo gasngi bat kasni kado ban weng kerteng kan long haka kanyo truk leber arajar apun riu bat kajing penmi iki kerteng jongi kertong bat kajing ai yaki shap kan long haka kat pratuk leber arajar apun riu
the schedule for the conduct of election to the GHADC 2026. Schedule of the MDC election. So it's like this. The date for calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124.2, it's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16 March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026, and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026. The amendment of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. This is because the police, according to the Meghalaya Police Act 2010, we need to have a accountability commission. So under this commission, we have appointed Sri Peter Ingti, IAS retired, as chairman of this committee, and Srimati V.R. Same, retired IAS, which retired as secretary in government of Meghalaya, as member of this committee. The amendment of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. This is because the police, according to the Meghalaya Police Act 2010, we need to have a accountability commission. So under this commission, we have appointed Sri Peter Ingti, IAS retired, as chairman of this committee, and Srimati V.R. Same, retired IAS, which retired as secretary in government of Meghalaya, as member of this committee. Is approval for the revised cost estimate for below mentioned sport infrastructure for 39 national games. A. Aquatic and Tennis Complex Sauli. B. Hostel Block Sauli. C. Sunny Hills Tura. D. Patagon Nemengja Sangma Athletic Stadium Tura. Because we have taken the decision that whatever estimate which increase, the revised estimate which increase above 25%, so it has to be got approved from the cabinet. So that's why we brought this under the cabinet for approval.
So how much it will be now?
No, it has crossed the amount of 25%, because all this, like I already mentioned, the aquatic and tennis complex, because we have to add additional practice pool, diving pool, and along with the sitting arrangement based on the request from the IOA when they come for inspection. That's why the amount will increase, and so with the other projects.
So this is from the state fund, or will be asking?
From the state fund, yeah.
For once, I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.